this next tractor that's up is very different looking. It's one I've definitely never seen. Very narrow, skinny front end. Good sized tires in the back. Of course, you took a little air out, better gripping. She's got weights and everything, but it's just that skinny kind of engine area that's really unique with this one. So you might want to take a good look. You can stop the video so you can get a better look while you're watching it. And know that in this competition, oops, there she goes. Let's just push. Well, look at this unique tractor as it's being pushed back out. Must have died. Tractor supply. Oops, it died. Got a hand mower, hand pusher, hand rider. Push it. It works if you push it. All right, here comes this next one. Now look at this. This kid here has got weights all hanging on the side. Really different. Look at that. Unreal. Okay, now to be in this competition, you have to be 6 years old, accompanied by a parent beside you, walking beside you, or under 17. Those are the rules. So if you want to have this in your country fair, those are the rules. It's a lot of fun. Did him any good. Dear Lord, he even had weights in the back too. That done absolutely no good at all. Weights on the side, weights on the back. Something weren't working right. All right. really good. She won't be the top one, but she's among the tops, I'll tell you that. There's like 3 or 4 that went about that distance right there. We got one that really overpassed, and we got about 3 or 4 right there.